This big guy's a pain. Hi, Red. He's like brown. It's so weird. Oh, don't jump. You need manners. Hi, hello, you're not very... Hello, Smiley. Hi, Smiley. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Come here, Red. Hi. Whoa, Trouble. Your name should be Trouble. Red. Red. I don't like that name. You need to come up with names. Oh, you're Trouble. Your name's Trouble. Yeah, you. Oh, Red. Red. Alright, you ready to go in? Can we get some water? Crazy. Red. Ow. Come here. Not you. Whoa. Come here. You see his smile and he chomps his teeth.
Oh, you nibble so much. Red. Red. Ow.
They're all itchy or something.
So give him a bath.
They had baths.
Give him a bath.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, he's gonna go up to me again.
Hi. Oh, he's gonna get smushed.
He's like, I want you to pet me, not him.
Alright, come on, guys.